Rebuilding my brand hasn't been easy, but it's not as bad as I thought it would be. If anything, it's been a reminder that I get to start fresh with more clarity, more intention, and higher standards. This time around, I'm not just creating and selling products, I'm creating experiences. I'm not embarrassed to start over because this time I'm starting with experience. I'm relearning what my customers love, perfecting every detail, and making sure everything that leaves my hands feels like quality. And honestly, I'm enjoying it because this isn't just a business. This is for all my beauties, my community, and we're growing together. This isn't the beginning, but it's definitely a new chapter.